Today we have something a little different. This is a Bluetooth CarPlay screen. ONECarStereo contacted me and said, hey, we've got a product you might be interested in taking a look at. Maybe if you like it, you'll make a video for us. So if you're seeing this, maybe I will like it. If I don't, this won't show up. So yeah, this little box does CarPlay, has a backup camera, all kinds of neat stuff. My car is a 2017 Subaru, and it is one model year before they started putting CarPlay in them. And according to resources, if I want to do CarPlay in it, I can't just get the new head unit. All the wiring is different, so I need to replace it with a full aftermarket Chinese Android Auto screen or something like that. So here's the unit. There's also a little accessory box here. What's in here? There's a manual. Oh, that's the backup camera. I probably won't be using that because my car does have a backup camera. And a screw fell out of the bag. We won't be needing that right now. So there's the manual, there's that. This thing is Type-C powered, and it has a micro SD slot, so you can, I guess, play movies and stuff on it. It's got there's a barrel jack, I guess, for the backup camera, and a audio out. It will, let's see if we can power it up. I've got Type-C right here. Oh, look at that. Came right on. So let's see CarPlay. Going to get it working with CarPlay. Okay, it's prompting me to pair it with my phone. So let me go in here. Bluetooth. There it is, CarKit 975. Pairing request. Gives me a number. Connect to CarPlay. Heh, look at that. And it's playing music. How do we... I guess I had music on. So look at that. We got CarPlay, boom. Maps, music, other stuff. Yeah, it's CarPlay, just popped right up. That is pretty neat. Let's see what's in the menu here. So there's a little button up here. I got volume, home, looks like power. What's home do? Okay, that's that previous menu. Android Auto, I guess you can just use it as a standalone Bluetooth speaker. It'll do mirroring, phone mirroring, audio output. Okay, so local speaker, you can play over Bluetooth from your phone. It's got an FM transmitter on it, okay, and I guess use the aux output jack. Wow, that's a lot of different output options. I'm gonna see if I can get this in the car. If it'll mount up. All right, you want to see something wacky? So since this thing has the Type-C on it, and they advertise it as being a Bluetooth speaker or whatever, I plugged it into the USB output on my golf cart. So now my golf cart has CarPlay. All right, welcome to the inside of my car. I've got the audio, oh, it's got a, how did I miss that? Come here, little booger. That's satisfying. So the screen does tilt just slightly, not a whole lot. And in my car here, it's bigger than you'd think it would be. You know. So it also has this foot on it that's it rotates. It's a mounting base. I don't think that's going to work in here, but I've been just sort of messing around, and what I found is I can put it kind of up here, and I think it works. So I ran the power cord down around up the side. Let me plug it in and see if I can get it back how I had it before. I think it was something like that. Again, the screen doesn't tilt very far, but it does tilt. Yeah. So it's kind of in my view, but I can still see everything I have. Honestly, the hood scoop blocks just as much as it does. But let me turn the car on and see if we boot up here. Yep, there we are. Look at that, straight into CarPlay. That's nice. I can reach it. I can type in things on Google or use the voice for Google. Yeah, we'll try that out. We'll see how it does. Okay, so I've been driving around with this versatile audio screen for about 2 weeks now, and I have to say, I think I like it. It has some neat features. I love having the CarPlay available and still having my screen here. I have figured out that I do not have to use the built-in speakers for it. I can use my car stereo. It has an option to revert the Bluetooth back to the car. So it displays on the screen, but all my audio prompts come through the car radio. I quite enjoy that. It's easy to flip back and forth, so I can take that out of here and use it on the golf cart. I've used it with a portable battery bank, just sitting on top of it on my deck to listen to music. It's neat. It's neat. It is versatile, as they say. It's a versatile audio screen. One or two things I think I would like to see improved is the screen does angle, but only just a couple degrees. It would be nice if it came down a little bit lower. And it does not have any sort of automatic day-night switching, so you have to choose a brightness level. I have it set at a level that I've found works for me during the day and at night, and it does have pretty high contrast, so it's not a problem seeing it at all, even with sunglasses on, when I have it set how I like it. But it's a neat product. Yeah, so I guess you're seeing this because I like it. Thanks for watching.